This is experiment number 12, pulley block apparatus. This is also a kind of lifting machine. The aim of this experiment is to draw the following diagrams: load effort diagram, load ideal effort diagram, load efficiency diagram, and also we need to determine the law of machine and the maximum efficiency. It consists of two stacks of pulleys. This is first stack, it consists of 3 pulleys, and this is the second stack, it consists of 2 pulleys. A string passes over all the pulleys. One end of the string is attached to the lower stack and the other end is attached to the effort pan. The upper and lower stack consist of 3 and 2 pulleys respectively. The weight of this effort pan is 115 grams and the machine weight includes the weight of this stack, lower stack, it is of 1.75 kgs. The weight of this load hanger is 1 kg.
Number of pulley 5, 3 and 2, total number of pulley 5, W load 1 kg, P effort standard 115 gram. This main pulley. WM weight of main part, इसका वेट है 1.75 kg किलोग्राम हो. W लोड 1 kg के आधार पर एफर्ट इंक्लूड करेंगे जो एफर्ट पेन नीचे डाउन होगा उस कंडीशन में W लोड 1 kg का ये एफर्ट करेगा.
So here again we will try to obtain the minimum weight required to lift up the load. So let's take the first reading. Initial load in the hanger is of the hanger itself, that is 1 kg, and we are adding weight here in the effort pan. So now we have already added 500 gram here, but it's not moving at all. So we'll keep on adding weight.
Without weight 115 gram. Upgrading weight. 500, 520. इससे नहीं आ रहा. उस कंडीशन में नेक्स्ट 50 ग्राम इंक्लूड कर दिया. इस कंडीशन में ये मूवमेंट आ चुका है. तो 550 प्लस 115.
So our first reading is 550 grams of weight plus 115 gram of effort pan weight. Let's take second reading for 2 kgs. So here we have added 1 kg more. Each block consists of 500 grams. So 550 grams were already added. Now we will add further weights. So for second reading we have added 800 grams of weight plus 115 gram of effort pan weight. So similarly we will take readings for different loads.